Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the fifth chapter of political science. Women change the world. Here, in the first chapter, you can see one table. Okay, if you open your textbook and fifth chapter, in the first page, you can see one table. In that table, what is given, you can see. Rosie ma'am's class has 30 children. She did the same exercise in her class. And here is the result. Teacher, 5 students says that teachers are male, and 25 students say teachers are female. 30 students say that farmers are male, and no one say that farmer is female. In the same class, 25 students say factory workers are male, and only 5 say factory workers are female. In the same class, no one say nurse is a male, but 30 students say nurse is female. And in the class, 25 students say scientists are male, and only 5 say scientists are female. And in the same class, 27 students say pilots are male, and only 3 say pilots are male. From this table, we understand that in early times there was division of labor. In the society, work was separated for men and women. Men were able to go outside and work, and they earned money. But women are not able to go to school. They are not able to go outside. Okay, they were allowed to do work only inside the house. So, in early times, there was stereotypes about negative thinking. Okay, about women and boys for doing. But now the situation changed. Now the situation is changed. We cannot expect a day without going to school. Okay, but in early times, women did all the household work. At the same time, they are not allowed to go to school. But the boys were allowed to go to school, and also they learned the work of their parents. What the father was doing, the same work in early times boys did. But it was opposite for the women. They were not allowed to do any work, but they wanted to remain in their houses. But now the situation has changed. Okay, in your page number 60, you can see the story of Yashundhari Devi. Yashundhari Devi, she was a low caste girl. She was not allowed to go to school. She was doing work in her kitchen. In early times, people believed that girls are not allowed to go to school. If they go to school, their husband will die. Okay, if girls are educated, it will affect their husband. So, parents did not allow the girls to go to school. But Yashundhari Devi sit in her kitchen without seeing anybody. She learned reading and writing, and wrote one autobiography in Bengala language. Bengala language, he wrote one autobiography. The book name is Amar Jeevan. Okay, in that book she says that in early times she was not allowed to go to school. She was not able to do any work. Okay, she learned reading and writing sitting in the kitchen. Okay, hiding from others. So after that there was a movement for the betterment of the children. According to the census, okay, in India, census is taken every 10 years. In 1961, census, you know, that means the total number of people. In that, how many people are literate, how many are not going to school, what work we are doing, how many people are doing work, how many are not doing work, all this we can see. So according to the 1961 census, only 40% of the boys were educated, and only 15% of the girls were educated. Okay, others were not going to school. Only 15% of the female girls were educated. But according to the census of 2011, 82% of the boys were educated, and 65% of girls were educated. So means the number of male and female going to school increased. But now also you can see all the people are not allowed to go to school. Okay, here you can see one table. You have probably noticed in the above table that SC, ST girls leave school at a rate that is higher than the category all girls. This means that girls who are from Dalit and Adivasi backgrounds are less likely to remain in school. The 2011 census also found that Muslim girls are less likely than Dalit and Adivasi girls to complete primary school. So nowadays women movement, okay, that means women's movement, equality for women started all over the world. Okay, therefore many laws were written to protect women from the sexual harassment and also home harassments. Now the women are also equal with men to do work at different levels. This is the end of the class. Thank you.